What's up? Hey, all week you guys probably know I'm going to be wearing this shirt in remembrance of my brother John Lewis, Congressman, um, civil rights leader, great man. Rest in peace, brother. Rest in peace. So, hey, look, I told you I was going to be coming back right back with another video for you. This video is about do's and don'ts before you close on a mortgage. I don't know if you saw my last video about what's the difference between being pre-qualified and pre-approved and approved for a mortgage. So this is kind of like uh, the one after that video. So look, I know because some of y'all be like, just get into your video. I had this one young lady say, it was 2 minutes and 13 seconds before I even heard anything about you, what you were talking about. Look, guys, first of all, I want to say I appreciate all the subscribers and I appreciate all you guys for watching. Thank you. And keep watching, please. But, there is a thing, if you don't kind of like the content and all the haters who, take their little jabs, there's a million other channels. But I appreciate all you guys for watching and subscribing. Look, before I jump in, look, please subscribe to my channel. Smash the like button, hit the notification bell for upcoming content. Feel free to make a comment if you like. Good comments. Just messing with y'all. Feel free to make any comment you like. And most of all, share this with your friends and family if you think it's something they can use. Okay, look. And once again, I'm Tony Hill. Hey, let me just show you this. So you may have seen this list if you closed on a house. Maybe you haven't. But my list is different than some of the others out there. I wanted to do this because I always have something. You guys always have something, little secret sauce you can use from everybody else. So look, and my list starts a little different too. So look, do not miss a mortgage payment because you think you will close on a new home before the old one is late. Don't don't try it. Make sure you make that payment. Don't second guess yourself or get in trouble and have a late payment. That'll kill your new home. Do not apply for new credit of any kind during the process before you close. Do not pay off or dispute any collections or charge off. Pay off debt without talking to your mortgage consultant. This can actually hurt you. Look, this happens a ton. The thing about it is that a lot of times I work with a client, got them to where they're going, they got a 30, 40, 50, $100 bill there. That's not going to stop the closing for the most part unless the lender tell you that they want to see it paid or deleted. At that time, then you can do a pay for deletion and then it's gone. But if you end up selling that account and you sell it, guess what? You could lose 20, 30, 40 points. And if you're on the brink of qualifying with your middle score, that could be devastating to you. And it happens all the time. So don't let this be you. Please heed the warning of this. Do not pay off any collection or charge off, especially if you already got pre-approved and approved for a loan and you're just waiting to close. Don't touch your credit. Do not close any credit cards or any lines of credit. See, everybody said do not close any credit cards, but they don't say lines of credits or, uh, you know, pay off anything. Don't try to pay off anything early thinking you're going to outsmart or, you're going to be smarter because it could hurt your score. Yes, paying off an old loan, could hurt your credit, make your score go down. Don't do that. Do not max out or overcharge over the limit. A lot of people don't know what overcharge means. Don't go over the limit on your cards. Don't do that because that's going to big time affect your score. Don't buy any furniture. Do not change bank accounts. Do not co-sign for anyone. Don't have anybody pull your credit unless it's the originating lender who approved you. Do not change jobs or don't become self-employed or quit your job. Do not let anyone except your lender who approve you for a loan access your credit. Do not make any large deposits without checking with your loan officer. Do not take out any payday loans. So when we say don't let anybody run your credit, and you think you going to get a quick loan, no, that's still a loan. Anything, don't don't take out a payday loan. They're terrible anyway. Here's the do's. Do freeze your credit. That way, if anybody want to access your credit, they have to have your approval, including that lender. Do stay current on your existing accounts. Don't be late on anything. This was many years ago, but I had a lady who was, about to close. And for some reason, she called me afterwards after we got her scores up. She missed a $37 credit card payment. And it ruined her, took her score down 75 points. And of course, she couldn't close. Don't do that. Make sure everything's on time. If you have to get a calendar, mark down a calendar when stuff is due, do that. Whatever you need to do to make sure that those things are paid ahead of time. Once again, pay all your bills on time. Do call your mortgage agent if you have any questions. Do provide documents needed for your loan as quick as possible. Don't be one of these people where they ask you for your documents and you keep procrastinating. Either you have the documents or you don't. So make sure you get those in right away. So look, I'm going to leave this PDF down below in the description of this. I know it may seem elementary to some of you, but some people, maybe it's their first time buying a home, first time buyers, or maybe you haven't bought a home in a while. Look, I always try to give you information you can use. I've been getting a lot of this in the last 60, 40, 60, 20, 30, 40 days. Actually, and I got 40 to 50 questions on emails in the last 2 or 3 days. So I wanted to bring this to you. Hopefully this helps. Please follow this verbatim and stick by it. Don't ruin your closing. If you got to the point where you got a pre-approval and you got a approval for your mortgage, be smart. So look, Tony Hill, Making Sense of Credit. Look, if you got to get in trouble, get in good trouble. Rest in peace, Brother Lewis. Until next time, next video. Be safe, guys. Peace.